Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 4 Exponents Exercise 4A question number 5, right? This one is find the reciprocal of. So we have to find the reciprocal of the given fractions, right? Fractions with a power exponent, right? First up is 2 upon 5 to the power 4, right? So our exponent is 4 here. This is our first part, right? And we have a fraction 2 upon 5, right, which has 4 as the exponent, right? So we will not touch the exponent at any case, right? Exponent will be as it is, we will not touch it. Now the fraction which is given to us, we will reciprocate the fraction simply, right? Just like we do reciprocal of a fraction in division, same here also. So we'll get here 5 upon 2, right, to the power 4. So basically this and this will be interchanged, right, and the power or the exponent will be the same. Now let's move on to the next part. Right, then next up we have our second part, right? And what does it say? It says minus 3 upon 4 to the power 3, right? So simply we will interchange the numerator and the denominator. Our numerator is minus 3 and our denominator is 4. Okay, so interchange them, and if you are facing any difficulty in interchanging, you can separate the powers. I'll show you how. You can do it like this: minus 3 to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3 also you can do, right? And then you can interchange because it might be a bit easier right now. So we'll have 4 upon minus 3, right, and again to the power 3. This is the same as this one, this one is the same as this one, right? And now after reciprocating we've got this, so we can write them in one bracket only. That will be how? 4 upon minus 3, right, in the brackets outside the exponent, that is 3, right? So this is our answer. Now let's move on to the next part. Now the next part of this question is the third part, right? And it says minus 2 to the power 4, right? Again here you see we have just an integer, right? So again we will convert this into a fraction because all the integers are the fractions, not a fraction, into a rational number, right? And that will do by how? We'll be adding a denominator, and what will that denominator be? 1. So first of all, minus 2 to the power 4 upon, and if I write 1 to the power 4, will it make any change? No, it will be the same, because 1 will, any power will be the same number, that is 1. Okay, now this we can reciprocate, so we will get 1 upon 4 upon minus 2 upon 4, right? And this we can write in our brackets, so our final answer becomes 1 upon minus 2, right, to the power 4. Now let's move on to the next part. And now the next part of this question is minus 3 upon 7 to the power 2, right? This is our fourth part, and it is minus 3 upon 7 to the power 2. Again we will interchange them. Okay, so what will we get here? So first of all you can write it like this: minus 3 to the power 2 upon 7 to the power 2, just distributing the powers, right? And we can interchange now. So we'll have 7 to the power 2, 7 square, whatever you want to say, upon minus 3 square, right? Again our answer becomes what? We'll put this in entire thing in one bracket simply. Okay, and we'll get here 7 upon minus 3, right, to the power 2. Okay, so this is our answer. Now let's head on to the next part. Now the next part of this question is the fifth part, right? And it is what it is: minus 11 upon 4, right, to the power 3. So again we will interchange this thing. Okay, so what will we have here? Let's see. Interchange. Now we'll have it like minus 11, right, to the power 3. This is 1 upon 4 to the power 3. This is another. Okay, basically we have distributed the powers, and now we'll interchange. So what will we get here? We'll have 4 upon minus 11, right, to the power 3 and to the power 3. So this will again write it with just one bracket, and we'll get here 4 upon minus 11, right, to the power 3. Okay, so this is our answer. Now let's move on to the next part. And then the next one is our sixth part, right? And this says we have got minus 7 to the power 4 upon 4 to the power 208, right? Interchange it, so you'll have minus 7 to the power 208 upon 4 to the power 208, right? So again interchange now, so we'll get 4 upon minus 7, right, to the power 208, and this one also. So simply write it in one bracket just like we do. So our answer becomes 4 upon minus 7, right, to the power 208. Alright, now let's head on to the next part. Then the next one is minus 1 upon 10, right? Okay, we in the seventh part of this question we have minus 1 upon 10 to the power 47. Again you can interchange this. How we'll get here? First of all, minus 1 to the power 47 upon then 10 to the power 47, right? So you'll have here 10 upon minus 1 to the power 47, right, and 10 also to the power 47. Now write it in one bracket just like we do. So our answer becomes what? 10 upon minus 1, right, in the brackets to the power 47, right? Now let's move on to the next part of this question. Now the next one is minus 3 upon 17 to power 89, right? It's our eighth part. Okay, so we'll write it like this: minus 3 upon 17 to the power 89. Okay, so we can write it like this also: minus 3 to the power 89 and upon 17 to power 89, right? So interchange it, so we'll have here 17 to the power 89, right, upon minus 3 to the power 89. Okay, so our final answer becomes, again put this in an entire thing in one bracket, so we'll have 7 upon minus 3, right, to the power 89. Alright, this becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.